Hello everyone, happy Sunday evening. I hope I'm in the right space. I think I am. I'm going to wait for a second and see if I'm on here, if anybody's on here with me, because I'm going live. I don't see anyone yet. Hello, is anybody on here with me? I hope I have good internet, because I don't see anybody. Oh, all of a sudden there's 8 of you. Hello, happy evening, guys. If I could talk, guys. My contacts, I changed my contacts so they're like kind of fuzzy. They're kind of like really fuzzy. Hello, Nina. Hello, Hannah. Hello, Jason. Hello, Renee. Hello, Sybil. It's just like all of a sudden, all these people started popping up. Ooh, I realized my face looks really glossy. I did a little facial before I came on here when I was cooking supper. So if my face looks really, really bright, that's why I did that. I usually do those on Sunday afternoons. Hello, Margaret. How are you? Hello, Carolyn. Hello, everyone. Hello, hello, hello. Okay, hello, Michelle. I hope you guys are having a good evening. It's so beautiful here. And I have been just kind of hanging out all afternoon, and it's been so nice. Hi, Jean. How are you? Hello. How are you? Okay, if you're coming on here, tell me hello. If you're doing replay, let me know on replay. I am Tabitha Yount. I'm the owner of Elegant Homes and Interiors. I thought I can't hardly see. My contacts are like, I guess I should introduce myself a little bit better. You look beautiful as always. Thank you, Michelle. I feel like I'm really glossy right now, but I can't hardly see because of my contacts. But I'm Tabitha Yount. I'm the owner of Elegant Homes and Interiors. And tonight, I kind of wanted to come on here, guys, because I have a lot of announcements. A lot of announcements. The first announcement that I wanted to make with you guys is that if you came into the Elegant community and you guys came on there, a lot of you guys still need to join. There's a couple of you that are kind of out there still that haven't gotten into the Elegant community that have joined. So I want to tell you that you go over to the main Facebook page and there's an Elegant community, and go on there and I will let you into the private community. So if you haven't done that, you're going to want to do that for sure, right? Especially since I'll be announcing what we're doing with that. So if you haven't done that, you need to get into that Elegant community because I need to see you in there, okay? Because we have a bunch of new things going on in there and I don't want you to miss out. So go into the Facebook, the main Facebook page, blah, 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 and I will let you into that private community. Hello, Larry. Hello, Alicia. Hello, everyone. I'm so excited to see everybody. Hello, CJ. There's tons of you guys on here tonight. Hello. And I'm looking with no makeup on. This is me. This is the natural me. Well, you just get to see the natural me. Sorry if it's horrible. Hello, Janice. How are you? I'm hoping that everybody's having a good evening. I really wanted to come on to tell you that the Willow house is finished and it's super exciting. It turned out beautiful, guys. The last thing for us to do was the hardwood floors, and it's just gorgeous. I kind of put one post up, one picture of it, and I asked you guys if you guys wanted to do an open house, and there was a huge response to that. Everybody really wants to see it in person, which is amazing. It's in St. Joe. I really think a lot of you will come out to see it, and I think you really will take a lot from that. And I'm hoping that Jason will come. Maybe Jason's on here still. He'll come to the open house and he can talk about the different products, the different things that you can do to your home to update it and do all those things, because he knows about the products just as much as I do and how to do those for you. And I think a lot of people wants to know that information. But I've had a lot of women ask me, are you going to decorate it? And the answer is yes. I'm going to decorate it. That's what I'm starting this week, is to decorate the Willow house. And that's what I've been working on. I've been working on it. Hello, William. I think it's a William. I bet it's Kathy. Hello, Kathy. Suzanne, Cheryl, hello, hello, hello. Thank you guys for being here. Yes, and we are doing that. We are going to get that ready, and we are going to have an open house. Here's the date. It's September the 25th and the 26th. I'm only having it one day. the 26th, but I am actually having it 2 days. If you're in my Elegant community, you're going to be able to have a special invitation on Friday evening. So I really wanted to bring that up. If you're in the Elegant community, I'm going to take all those women that are in that community and let you come on Friday evening, and we're going to have a special treats and show you different techniques of decorating and all the things like that. You're going to have a special tour. So if you're in my Elegant community, this is why I'm announcing this. There's so many of you ladies that are in there. I hope that you can join us on Friday evening, September the 25th, in the evening. I made it in the evening, so if you're working, we can all get together and we'll see the sparkly lights because it's a Christmas open house. I know that'll bring a lot of you out because I haven't had one of those in a hot minute. It's been a while since I've done that. Hello, Libby. Hello, Lori. Hello, Carolyn. How are you? Yay, Carolyn, you're in the group. You're in my Elegant community, so you'll be able to go through on the 25th in the evening. So I will be posting all the different times, but if you're not in my Elegant community, I want to encourage you, please come and see me on the 26th. We'll have it open all day, and you guys can come in and tour the house and do all the things. I will have a little free gift for you. I always try to do that. I'll have a free gift for you at the front of the house, and you can take that with you. And then Jason and I will be there, and the whole house will be available for you to look from upstairs all the way down to the basement. The main level will be decorated completely, which is amazing. If I can pull this off, this will be a miracle. No, it will be fine. We're going to get this done. Hello, Billy. Hello, Sharon. Hello, Linda. So you definitely want to come and see the house. It's amazing. In person, you just really got to see it, especially with all the chandeliers and all the things. So I hate a live so far away. Yes, Hannah, I hate that too. But Hannah, I will be doing that live for you on the 25th. So you're not going to miss out. If you don't live close, and you're in the Elegant community, guess what? You still get to be a part of it because it's going to be live for you. So you still get to see all of it. So that's exciting. Hey, Jane, how are you? I hope you're having a good evening. Hello, Suzanne. How are you? So I just want to come on and tell you kind of a little bit what's going to happen. We're going to have every room decorated, and I get this a lot. Each room is going to be staged and decorated with all the things. The theme is going to be Christmas themed, and the Christmas, I believe this year we're going to go ahead and sell the things for Christmas out of the home. So if you're interested in that, you can come with that thought and that theory that the Christmas things will be for sale there on that day. You won't be able to take them that day, but if you want something, you can purchase them, and then I'll have a time when you can come back and pick them up. So that is exciting. Now, let's talk about the house being for sale. The house will be for sale at that time. So if you guys know of anybody that is wanting that, and I will do a big huge post of what the house is and all the things, bedrooms, bathrooms, square footage, all that stuff. I will be posting that in the next couple of weeks. So what I need from all of you to help me do is to get this out. I need this word out. I need to get this word out that this house is going to be for sale. So your job is, when I post and do all the things, that you guys help me like, share, and comment, and do all the things that you guys are awesome at doing. Yay! I love you all for that. So that's what I need you to do. So if you know of somebody that's looking for a house, it's in the Stonecrest area. If they're needing a very large home, because I think it's 5 bedrooms, 4 bath plus, it's a huge home. It's got a couple half baths. If you need something like that, if you're in the market for looking for something like that, you definitely need to contact me. Hi, Randy. How are you? Hi, Connie. Where is the Willow house at? Where is it located in St. Joe? It's located in Stonecrest. If you don't know that area, and I can let you know, I'll be posting the exact address as soon as I get done here. I'm going to be posting that so you guys know where to come to the open house on the 25th and 26th. So you'll know the exact address to that. I hope that's helpful. And hi, Gina. Hello, Stacy. Hello, Leah. So everybody will be able to know the exact address. You'll be able to come by and take a look at the house. If you know of somebody that's interested in a house that large, please let them know. Please put their name there. Please share this. Hi, Julia. How are you? And please share all this information with them. I know it's a lot. That's why I thought, I can't post this. I have to just go on a live. And I haven't seen everybody. Hello, Lisa. How are you? I haven't seen everybody and got to talk to everybody for a while. It feels like a long while. So you get to see me with no makeup on on a Sunday. So that's kind of what I needed to ask anybody. If anybody has any questions, let me know. But it's basically, we're just going to have a Christmas open house. We're going to enjoy this. I think people will come out and see the house. Even if you're not interested in the house, that's a good question. If you're not interested in the house, can you still come and see the house? Absolutely. You can still come see the house. You can come tour it. You can see it all pretty and staged and all those things. Hello, Tina. Hello, Laura. Hello, Tara. Hello, everybody. Yes, you can definitely come and see us, and you can talk to us and visit us and see all the different products that we put in the house and all the different furniture, how we do it. Hurricane prep again, but doing well. Ooh, Lisa, I pray that everything goes well for you, hon. I know that's so hard. Oh, I just pray for you. Yeah, we'll just keep praying that it goes over you and it doesn't do any harm to you, hon. Yeah, so that's kind of what I wanted to tell you guys, is that we are definitely doing that, and a lot of people have asked that. The free giveaways, we'll have that. We'll have a little giveaway for you. You can purchase some of the things that we're doing on there. In the house, some of the decorating will be able to be for sale, so you'll be able to purchase those. What else is that I need to tell you guys? September the 25th and the 26th. I definitely want you to keep those dates in mind. You have to mark your calendars, do all the things so that you don't get that wrong, because it's not very long. I know I haven't given you a lot of time, but this is just kind of what we have to do. And it is going to be a Christmas open house. Hello, Jennifer. I hope to see you there. I haven't seen you forever. So I just wanted to get on here and tell you all, thank you so much for following us and doing all the things. Keep up that good work. Share it if you can. If you're a real estate agent or anybody else, come and see me. Hello, Brett. How are you? Hello, Tim. And all the things. So you're more than welcome to do that. Even if you're not wanting to buy the house, come see us. We'll have lots of fun things and we'll have a good time, and we can see the whole entire house. So you can see it in person. And yes, if you're out of state, will we be posting pictures? Absolutely. We'll be posting tons of pictures for all of you that are out of state, follow us and do all the things. We'll be able to give you lots of love and show you all kinds of beautiful things. So, and I might be able to get on here if I'm not so crazy busy and show you how we are decorating it and show you some different ideas and things and tips like that. Because we have lots of cool ideas for this house. Hi, Laura. How are you? Can't wait to see it. I know. It's so pretty. It's going to be so much fun to decorate it, honestly. It's just a beautiful house anyhow. So it's just easy. If you have a pretty house to decorate, it makes it really easy. Hello, Karen. Thank you for watching. Okay, guys. That's all I really wanted to tell you, is just to save the date. September the 25th for the Elegant Community. And we will be giving away that evening. It's a special evening that we'll be showing different techniques and tips and things like that for that community. So if you can share, like, and comment on this in the next few weeks and help me share those, I'll be giving that special evening away to some of the women that are not in the Elegant Community. So that's going to be a giveaway. So definitely like, share, and comment, and you'll be able to get in Friday night with us. So that'll be a fun night for us. And then, yes, September the 26th will be the day that everyone can come in for free and tour the house, the Willow house. And it is in Stonecrest, and I'll be posting the address down below. Hello, Joyce. Thank you for being here and watching. Okay, guys, thank you so much. If you guys have any other questions, let me know down below, and I would be happy to answer them. But hopefully I see you September the 26th, 25th, and 26th. Talk to you guys soon. Bye.